acquired the company Test Out, where they also created learning for CompTIA certifications. And so now we had 2 different bodies of material, similar certifications, so like A+ with Test Out and A+ with CompTIA, and we needed to merge our content together. And we had 2 very, very different ways of creating content. My team used a lot of contractors and consultants to create, while Test Out had a more homegrown in-house expertise. They were a little bit more technical in how they implemented stuff, so that was very structured. I used HTML files while my team was using a CMS. And so we needed to figure out how to work together, and that's where we're like, we need one system for this, not just different areas. And we wanted to see all of our content. I think that's the important thing. You know, we don't just create text. We create lab activities. We create assessment questions. We create, interactives. We needed one spot where we could see a holistic view of something and not have that be in the platform right before we're publishing.
Thank you. All right, well, Bill, let's get you involved here. So obviously you work with a lot of different organizations across different industries. Other than the super high caliber staff that you knew you were going to get to work with at CompTIA, what were the things that got Scriptorium excited about this project when CompTIA first came to you and was talking to you about it?
This one was particularly interesting because it was a little bit out of what the norm that we had been seeing up till that point. As you mentioned at the onset, a lot of times when you talk about DITA, you think technical content, manuals, online help, support portals and whatnot. You don't generally think about learning and certification content, which is really its own beast. So it kind of got us very interested in working more with that type of content. We've done some work with it on the side, but this was going to be a very deep dive, and that got us excited.